Okay, proceed.
Well, I was down by the old mill pond, taking a swim. My gosh, a woman.
Bringing a treat of goodies to eat that Granny will like, I know. Straight to her cottage, I'm on my way. Oh, tra-la-la-la-la. Hello, Wolfie Wolfie.
Hello.
What you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Goody. Then you can take this lunch to Grandma while I go swimming.
But, just a minute now.
You'll just love Grandma. She's a sweet, tender old lady.
Yeah? Sweet and tender, eh? Oh, I know I like her.
I bet you tell that to all the girls. So long, Wolfie Wolfie.
Over the river and through the wood to Grandmother's house I go, bringing a treat of goodies to eat that Granny will like, I know. Straight to her cottage I'm on my way. Oh, tra-la-la-la-la-la. I'll be there soon. It's nearly noon and time to eat. Ha-ha. Shucks. I tried that once before, and it didn't work. I hope somebody's home. I hope.
Come in.
Hello, Granny dear. My, what great big eyes you have.
Now, just a minute. Don't pull that old chestnut on me.
My, what great big teeth you have.
It's who? Oh!
Oh?
Help, please. She kept coming at me. I couldn't get away. I was helpless.
Take it easy, boy. A little slower. A little bit slower.
Okay. Well, we squared off again. You see, I I was innocent. I was framed.
All right. If we let you go, will you go straight?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll go straight.
Straight to Grandma's house.